Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So today I have a TrollBeads haul to share with all of you. This package came from TrollBeads Partridge Creek and yeah, I always talk about their packaging, but look at this, guys. This is so beautiful. And so, yeah, it's always such a treat to tear into these packages and open my beads because although I know what's in here, this packaging just makes it so special. So anyways, enough about the packaging, but I recently, TrollBeads released a mini collection of 4 beads. It's called, I think they're calling it the Transformation Collection. And okay, let me just take this off and I'll be right back because it's going to crinkle a lot and I think I need scissors. Okay, I'm back. So as I was saying, they released a new mini collection called Transformation, and it is a set of 4 beads, and they're butterfly beads, and they're all so beautiful. And I just had to get some beads from that collection. I actually ended up getting all 4. I was planning and I was hoping I would only like 1 or 2, but yeah, that didn't happen. And so I did get all of them, so I don't know which one I want to open first. Maybe this one. And yeah, so it's a beautiful collection. I love butterflies in general, and these are just so beautiful. I think they've been designed by Lise Agard, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, they are beautiful. So let's open this box. Oh, and in here I have 2 of the beads and then another bead. So TrollBeads right now is also running what they're calling Christmas in July, where if you buy, I think it's $150. Yeah, I think if you spend $150, you get one of these tassels for free. And I think there is on the website it says blue and white design tassels, but TrollBeads Partridge Creek I think had run out of the blue ones, and then so they offered me a few others that I could choose from, and so I chose this white one because I already have a blue and white tassel, so I was actually glad that I got to pick another color. And this one you can see is a clear glass tassel with white polka dots on it, and I think it will work really well with a lot of other beads and designs. And so yeah, that's the tassel that I got. Now this one over here, this is called Wings of Energy, and this particular bead has yellow and orange as the base, and then you can see these black lines that have these wing-like look to them, the butterfly wing, and then these black almost wave with white spots on it, which from what I was reading, Lise was inspired by the Australian Aboriginal art that she saw there, I think. And so yeah, this is beautiful, and this one reminds me of monarch butterflies, which we see a lot of in Texas. And so yeah, so this is Wings of Energy. And then this one over here is the green one, and this is called Wings of Success. And so this has shades of green to it, again with that same black detailing as on this one. And this has different shades of green. You have this almost lime green, and then this darker green, which also is shaded, I feel. And so there's that one. So that's the first box. So let's open the other one. So this has, I think, the other 2 beads from this collection, and those are the blue and the pink ones. And so this pink one I knew for sure was something that I was going to order when this collection was first introduced. So this one is called Wings of Passion, and I love pink, and this one is just so beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen a pink butterfly but this one is just so whimsical. I love the light and darker pinks in the bead, and then paired with black and white. It just looks so beautiful. It really pops. So as I said, Wings of Passion, and then this blue one is Wings of Serenity. Now I have seen blue butterflies, not exactly these colorings, but definitely blue butterflies. A few years ago we went to Houston, and the museum there had a special butterflies exhibit, and it was so beautiful. There were so many butterflies. I've never seen that many varieties of butterflies in my life. There were some that were huge, and some because there were like guides there telling you about the butterflies, and they were telling us that there's some butterflies that only live for a few days, which was very strange to me and kind of eye-opening. So anyways, this one is Wings of Serenity, and this is shades of blue. So you have the more turquoisey blue, and then the darker blue, again with the black and white detailing on it. And so yeah, these are my four transformation beads. We have Wings of Passion, Wings of Serenity, Wings of Success, and Wings of Energy. And I'm really excited to design with these beads. Actually, me and Linda have talked about it, and I think we're going to do another challenge like we did with our TrollBeads Day beads, which I still have to post that video. I did film it yesterday, but I still have to post it. But I think this one will go up first because I want to share these beads with you. But yeah, I'm really excited about that challenge where we're going to design with each particular bead, and we have decided on some other elements that we have to add to the design. And I'll be sure to film a video on that and share that as well. So these are my transformation beads. Do let me know if you are planning on getting any one of these, or if you've already gotten any of these, and which one is your favorite. Do let me know, and let me know if you have any bead pairing ideas, because I would love to know what you think will go with these beads. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.